the medals. JoJo Gnome, Hattie Hedgehog and Fatima Fairy were playing their own version of the Commonwealth games and making up their own fun games. They had a bubble game, which Fatima won. They had a game with ribbons that Hattie Hedgehog won. And a hopping game that JoJo won. "It's a shame we don't have any medals," said Hattie. "Ah, just a minute," said JoJo. "I've got an idea." When he came back into the room, he'd bits of card with circles drawn on them. "Let's design our own medals," he said. "Auntie Molly has some ribbon we can use too." What kind of medals do you think the friends designed?
At St. Roch's Primary. These are the medals we thought JoJo Gnome would make. These are our ideas. What would you make? We love JoJo Gnome.